You're not tired, you're distracted. You're not out of chances, you're out of focus. People say life is short. No, life isn't short, we just waste it. Today, people put more effort into decorating their Instagram than designing their actual life, and that is the disease of our time. You say you're busy, but busy with what? Building or escaping? The truth is, most people are not overwhelmed, they're simply undisciplined with their hours. They mistake motion for progress, but running fast in the wrong direction still gets you nowhere. Think about this. If someone stole your money every single day, you'd stop them immediately. But when distractions steal your time, you let it happen, quietly. And the worst part, you're the one holding the door open for the thief. I wasn't born rich, I didn't go to Harvard, I had no fancy degree, but I learned one thing early. If I couldn't beat people with money, I would beat them with time. I used time like a sword. I sacrificed parties. I skipped countless hours of entertainment. I chose to read, to work, to build my future. Do you realize? Wasting just 1 hour a day adds up to 365 hours a year. That's over 15 full days. And in 15 days, you could build a project, start a side business, transform your body, or master a skill. But instead, most people trade those hours for YouTube videos, gossip, and excuses, and then blame the world for their failures. Many young people say, "I'm too tired after work." But remember this, your job only pays the bills. What you do after work builds your future. If you come home and scroll for 2 hours, complain for another, and then sleep away your ambition, don't ask why your life never changes. You're feeding entertainment and starving your potential. Discipline, not motivation, is the key. Motivation comes and goes, discipline stays. The pain of discipline is temporary, but the pain of regret lasts forever. The most dangerous thought is not failure, it's this: I'll start tomorrow. Successful people don't wait to feel ready, they start even when they aren't. Time doesn't forgive, it doesn't pause, it doesn't rewind, it never gives you a second chance. In 5 years, you could build a business, a body, a skill, a brand. Or you could still be in the exact same place, doing the exact same thing, just older, more tired, and filled with regret. If you're in your 20s, use your time to learn skills. In your 30s, build something meaningful for yourself. In your 40s, mentor others and multiply your impact. And even if you're 50 or 60, don't say it's too late. As long as you're breathing, you still have seeds to plant. Time is your biography. Every second is a sentence you're writing into your story. What do you want it to say? Be different. While the world plants distractions, you plant focus. While they sow gossip and parties, you sow discipline and growth. In 5 years, you'll have a garden of success. They'll have only weeds of regret. Winners are obsessed with their calendar. They block time, cut out the noise, and protect their hours. They build a life where time flows towards their goals, not away from them. At the end of it all, you won't be remembered for how many likes you got or how many followers you had. You'll be remembered for what you did with your time. So stop saying, "I don't have time." Start saying, "I will make time." Because if you don't, time will make the decision for you, and you may not like the result. Life does not reward those who wait. It rewards those who show up again and again and who never forget the value of every single moment. Time is a sword. If you learn to wield it, you become unstoppable.